Hey friends, today I'm going to take a few minutes to explain this thing to you. Oh, what is this? It looks like packing material. It looks like maybe a pool toy. This is called a foam roller. And what it does is it provides a myofascial release. And so if you can Google it and do some more research on it, but fascia is all the stuff that's in between your skin and your bones, and this helps release all of that, and you'll definitely feel some benefits from some regular myofascial release. And I look forward to kind of sharing just some basic moves with you guys. All right, let's go. Now, before we get started, you want to make sure that if your hair isn't already up, that you have it up, and that if it's in a ponytail, you kind of want to wrap it around so that it doesn't get caught under your foam roller. You also want to make sure that you're not wearing any jewelry or anything that could press in or against your skin when you're against the foam roller. And you want to have more form-fitting clothing so that it doesn't get caught under the roller as well. All right, so let's get started. We're going to do a little tiny neck massage. So I want you to take a second to find that occipital bone, which is that little indent that you have in your skull. So right above your neck, if you follow the lining of your skull, you'll find that little center. So we're going to take that center there, and we're going to lie down slowly, and then place that occipital bone against the foam roller. And then you want to secure the foam roller with your hands. And we're just going to take a second here and breathe and look left to right. Nice deep breaths, nod up and down, and just feel that occipital bone release. You can stay here as long as you like. All right, just breathing back and forth and releasing that neck. From here, we're going to sit up, and you're going to bring the foam roller right underneath your shoulder blades. Elbows are going to go out, and you're going to lift the hips as we roll over those shoulder blades. Ooh, feels so good. Nice deep breaths. Being mindful not to roll onto that neck. From here, we're going to go down right to the bottom of our rib cage that can massage that upper back a little bit. So from that last little rib on that cage, all the way up to the shoulders, and then back down. I'm going to take a few of these, and you can turn side to side depending on where you're feeling pressure. You'll start to get that lat underneath there. Oof. Excellent. All right. And we're going to do the deltoids on the arms. So you're going to take that little shoulder cap there, and you're going to place it against that foam roller, and you're going to get in there. Woo! Feels so good. And do that for a few, and then we'll do it right on the other side. Nice deep breaths as you release that fascia. Excellent. From here, we're going to go to sitting or seated on this roller here. And I want you to bring your weight to one side and just roll over that glute. Nice deep breaths. Other side. Ooh. Nice deep breaths. From here, one of my favorites we're going to do is the IT band. So we're going to be real mindful to not roll onto the knee and to not roll onto that hip bone. You're going to roll on that nice cushiony area in between, okay? So we have from right before our hip to right before our knee, and you can lift up the opposite leg to give you a little bit more weight. You'll feel a little bit more pressure. If you need to relieve some pressure, you can bring the leg up front and put some weight on that as well. But this one I just love to enjoy both feet up. Ooh, it hurts so good. Let's do the other side. So same thing, being mindful not to roll onto the hip or to the knee. You're coming out. And this one even kind of looks a little pretty. Cheese. Model moment. Oh, deep breaths. From here, we're just going to turn And we're gonna roll from right before the hips to right before the knees on the top of those thighs. Whew. Nice deep breaths so that they release. And then from here, let's go into a little shin roll out. I love this one. It gets you your tib and your fib, that are those muscles that are right around the shin. And oh, when you come forward, you'll know what I'm talking about. It reminds me of like knee boarding, if you've ever been to the river. This is kind of that sensation of being on there. So you can kind of twist side to side and really let those muscles release. Wonderful. Alrighty. I hope you all enjoyed that. Hope it brought some light to what you can do with this awesome foam roller. Myofascial release is really, really important for your daily life. If you can't squeeze it in every day, I'd say at least once a week. Alright, so like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments about any of the exercise, please leave those down below. Look forward to seeing you guys next time.